Hey, GratuiTous here from itsgratuitous.com. In this video, I want to talk to you about how to use the M Audio Oxygen Pro preset editor. This is free software that M Audio provides us for us to customize our M Audio Oxygen Pro experience, all right? This is a really awesome tool because we don't have to use this tool and it doesn't lock us into using it. A lot of MIDI keyboards these days, they are coming with Portal software where you have to install that Portal software and then it will unlock certain things about the MIDI keyboard. But for the M Audio Oxygen Pro, and this is what I really like about M Audio, I've always just had this experience with them. You simply have a MIDI keyboard. If you want to install the firmware, you can install that. If you want to use their software, you can, but they don't lock you into using it. And when you use the preset editor, we can customize the MIDI keyboard. We send the preset into the keyboard, and then we can simply close this, and the Oxygen Pro has it stored in memory. All right. So again, we're not locked into any software always having to be on our computer. But let's talk about the Oxygen Pro preset editor and how to use it in this video. All right, so first of all, if you want more information about this, come here to the help area, come here to the Oxygen Pro, and you can come here to the Oxygen Pro preset editor, and this page will just it will explain how to get it all set up with the Oxygen Pro, whether you do have my premium template or not. So to download it, you just come here to whatever search engine you want to use, and just go to the Oxygen Pro preset editor. And if you click this, you have to make sure that you are downloading the right model for your model, okay? So, or the right software for you. So as you can see, this one is for the 49, but you have to make sure that you download, the 25 if you have the 25 or the mini, okay? So I'm going to share how to do this. So you just go to drivers and updates, and then you're going to go to keyboard controllers. You're going to come here to the Oxygen Pro. Again, whatever one you have, there's the mini. And again, my template here, this one does support the mini, 25, 49, and 61, okay? If you do use the 88, let me know. I can create a template for you. I just don't think there's much demand for it. Okay, so here is the keyboard controllers, and I'm just gonna go 49 because that's what I use. And then you're gonna come down here to select your operating system, and I'm still currently on Windows 10, and I'm just gonna show results. And you're gonna see that all the information of what M Audio has for you is right here. So if you want to update your firmware, I already have a separate video on that. You can come here to how to update the firmware. This video breaks it down. And as you can see, the firmware has not changed, okay? Or at least in a while. And then, so here is the preset editor. And I've also noticed that this is new, okay? This is recent. And I checked this out and it looks like they're kind of getting into MIDI scripting. I tried playing around with it. It was kind of confusing. Like there was no manual or instructions like how to use it. So if you just want to keep following my workflow, just make sure you're downloading the preset editor, okay? For whatever model you have, mini, 25, 49, or 61, okay? Okay, so once that's downloaded, you will then have the Oxygen Pro preset editor. Now, if you just want to download the free MIDI script, which is right here, right? We come here to download MIDI script, and you just download this, and you don't want to use my template or anything. This video will also show you how to get set up. So the problem with the Oxygen Pro, so you have DAW mode, you have preset mode, and then right beside it is what's called tempo sync. And by default, I think most of these templates come with internal. So we want to make sure that we're loading a preset that has external, and then FL Studio works very reliably with your transport buttons. And then with my MIDI script, again, that loop button is switching between song and pattern mode for normal FL Studio operation. So what you want to do is you want to create a preset yourself, and then you're going to go to Source, External, okay? And then you're going to go File, and you want to send that preset into your M Audio Oxygen Pro. My recommendation is just to overwrite the first preset because it's really easy to access. So you just go preset, you go send, you're just going to overwrite it, save it, okay? Then on the actual Oxygen Pro, this button right here, so right now I'm in DAW mode. Again, always make sure you are in preset mode for the best experience with the Oxygen Pro and FL Studio. So I just hit preset mode. Now you want to hold down the preset button, and then you're going to navigate to whatever one it is, and then you simply select it. And so then you'd be set up. So if you have already installed the MIDI script, again, that gets your transport buttons working normally. But the problem is the tempo sync is set to internal. So if you create a template to send into the Oxygen Pro, you just got to make sure it is external, and then you're good to go. Like, you don't need my template or anything like that. But if you want my template, again, I now have this really, really cool drum pad workflow. Or if you don't want to do any figuring out, then what you're going to do is you're going to come here to the preset editor. And then again, in my package, so again, this is for the product page here. So this is the M Audio Oxygen Pro template. And this is what it looks like, right? Again, you can read more information. You can read the change log of what's changed. Watch a video about it. You know, I've explained all in depth. Again, you do get lifetime access to all the updates of this Oxygen Pro template. And so if you've purchased this, you get this download package, and here are the premium templates, all right? So version 1, what it is if you want to use your drum pads for normal operation for like your kicks or claps to trigger sounds, then just use version 1. But if you want to follow my cool drum pad workflow here in FL Studio where you know, if we are in FL Studio, you can see that I can kind of navigate to different windows. I can open up plugins. We can get hands-on mixing like that, right? If you want this workflow, then this is what version 3 is. So there's 2 versions. There is version 1, which is just like your basic layout, okay? And that one will be all orange drum pads. I'll load that up for you just quickly, just for you to see. So that right here, this, and you get your 4 different banks. But again, I like my drum pad workflow. It's really, really fast in FL Studio. So we have version 1, which is just your basic layout. And then version 3 is like the latest version. That one is always being improved. But let's talk about how to import this, okay? So you're just going to go File. You're going to go Load Preset. Sometimes if you can't see them all, you're going to have to click down here and you have to go all files, all right? And then you'll be able to see everything. So again, depending on what model you have, you're going to be selecting the preset of what I've given you. So if you have just the Mini, there's the Mini. If you have the 25 or the 49 or 61, that one uses the same preset, whether you're in the 49 preset editor or the 61, okay? So all you do is you would simply load in my preset, just go open, it will load, and then you're gonna go File, you're gonna go Send, and then again, I recommend just overwriting preset 1. Do not overwrite RAM. It's just kind of like a temporary testing place. Use preset 1, send it, and then what will happen is the Oxygen Pro now has the preset, but we have to load the preset, okay? So you simply just hold down the preset button. At the time of this video, it's on version 3.0, and you simply just select it with the push to enter knob. You know, you can rotate, and then you just push it in to enter. And then your drum pads will change colors. And then in FL Studio, I already shared in the settings here. So this is what your settings should be. So if you don't want to follow my drum pad layout, you just want version 1, let's say. So let's just say we load up version 1. So right now I'm on version 1. It's all orange drum pads. All you need to do is just MIDI in 3 has the free MIDI script, and that one gets your transport buttons working good. As you can see in the top here, I can switch between song and pattern mode, enable my record, stop, play, all that kind of stuff, go back a bar. But if you want the drum pad workflow, again, we have loaded it into the Oxygen Pro. Now we have to actually select it. So I held down preset. I'm going to select it. The drum pad colors change. And then on the Oxygen Pro up here, you have to make sure you're selecting the premium. And now, as you can see, I can close the settings. I can open the settings. I can save if I want. I can, you know, I'm on the mixer right now. I go to the channel rack. I can go up and down the channel rack. I can open up Nexus. We can go up and down on the sounds. I can select a sound. So we're just on this piano. Put another sound. Right, another sound. We can go to a different category. So if I want to go to like pads, come back over to the other presets category. And now, again, you can hold down the drum pads as you go up and down. And again, this is really, really powerful as I'm making my beats. I keep my hands up here. I can select the sound. You can turn up and down the volume off of the slider, the first slider right here. And for the actual plugins that I use, I've tried to set them all up where this one changes the volume slider. And I'm telling you, this is such a powerful workflow. And if you have been, watching my FL Studio courses over the years, if you're a part of the platform, this is the workflow that I'm giving you, right? You can actually get this workflow. All right, so again, this video was about the M Audio Oxygen Pro preset editor, how to load a preset. Again, if you just want the free MIDI script and all you have to do is make sure that you're sending a template that is external for your tempo sync, and you're good to go. All right. If you want to follow my workflow, or if you just don't want to do any figuring out, I have given you version 1 and version 2. You simply import that into the preset editor, and then you send that into the Oxygen Pro with send. Okay, you send the preset. You make sure you are just doing it over any of these presets, but I recommend just doing it over the first one. That way, when you hold down the preset button, right on the actual Oxygen Pro, you simply will just select the preset. You push down the knob, and you're set up. And then again, like I already shared in FL Studio, this should be your settings. All right. So if you have any questions about my M Audio Oxygen Pro template, again, always feel free to send me an email at hi@itsgratuitous.com. I have gotten a super, super cool workflow in FL Studio, and I'm passing that on to you if you want it.